Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best oxygen rings available in the market, the Wellue O2Ring Wearable Pulse Oximeter. If you're looking for a reliable way to monitor your blood oxygen levels and heart rate, this device promises both convenience and accuracy. The Wellue O2Ring is designed for continuous tracking with its lightweight and comfortable ring sensor. It's equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone or desktop via the free app. This means you can easily review real-time data, access detailed reports, and even share them with your healthcare provider. One standout feature is its vibration reminder, which alerts you if your SpO2 levels fall below a preset threshold. If your heart rate goes outside the designated range. This proactive approach ensures you stay informed about your health status, especially during sleep or physical activities. The accompanying app and PC software provide comprehensive graphical reports and trends, making it easy to track changes over time. It supports unlimited storage of PDF and CSV reports, which can be invaluable for long-term health monitoring. With up to 16 hours of battery life on a full charge, the Wellue O2Ring is ideal for overnight use. It automatically syncs data to the app when connected via Bluetooth, and its built-in memory can store up to 40 hours of data locally, ensuring you never miss a beat. It's essential to note that while the Wellue O2Ring is a powerful tool for health monitoring, it's intended for sports and aviation use, and not for medical purposes. To wrap it up, the Wellue O2Ring stands out as a top choice in wearable pulse oximeters. Its combination of comfort, accuracy, and advanced features make it a must-have for anyone looking to monitor their oxygen saturation levels and heart rate effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.